Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to enable background data on Discord for your Android device. This will help you stay connected to your friends even when the app isn't actively in use. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and head over to the settings. You can find this icon in your app drawer or on your home screen. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down to find Apps and tap on it. This section allows you to manage all your installed applications. Now look for the Discord app. It's usually easy to spot since it has that recognizable logo. Tap on it to open the app settings. Next, you'll see several options about the app's permissions and data usage. Here, you want to find and tap on Mobile Data. Finally, there should be an option labeled Allow Background Data Usage. Make sure to turn this on. This simple step ensures that Discord can run in the background and send you notifications without any hiccups. And that's it. Now you can enjoy uninterrupted communication with your friends on Discord, even when the app is not open. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.